Here I have HUAWEI P30 and let me show you how to enable hidden modes by entering secret codes in your device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, and then let's start with the first code. You have to enter the first one, which is *##284 6579 ###. And now, as you can see, you're in project menu and you can perform several operations here. You can check background settings, winner information, network information query, software upgrade. You can perform a restore factory, so it's kind of hard reset, and also you can check battery charge. So you can do whatever you want in here. Just take a look, enter the code, and then do what you need to do. Then let's go back. We will open the second secret code, which is about phone, and the code is *##000, so 4 zeros, ###. And as you can see now, you're in about phone, so you can check the model, the build number, hardware version, and all the others. So as you can see, there are plenty of informations about your HUAWEI P30, this particular one, this particular example. So let's go back, and then we've got the third code, which will show us all the calendars info, and the code is *##225 *##. And as you can see, this is the calendar info, and here, if you will have Google account, you will have all events from Google account, also all events from your calendar, your device's calendar, and they will be all stored here. It will have also an access to the holidays and events in your country. So if you would like to check all the info in your calendars all together in one place, is the proper code to use. So let's go back, and now we will use a Google Play service. So just enter a code, which is *##426 ###. And now, as you can see, you can run a ping test here. You can check connect, disconnect, events, and also status. So as you can see, it also allows you to extend your knowledge about your HUAWEI P30. It's also worth using. And let's go back, and finally we've got the last but not least. It's actually very useful code, and it's *##06#. And as you can see, this code shows you the email numbers and also the serial number over here. So it takes less than 30 seconds, and you can see what your email numbers are and also what your serial number is. So actually that's it. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your secret codes. Thanks for watching one more time, and please subscribe our channel.